Color changed after software update on Poco M8. Let's start the video first of all. If you want to fix this problem, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on More Connectivity options. Scroll down and click on Reset Settings. If you want to fix this problem, reset setting, click on Reset Setting. Enter your phone pin and click on Next and click on OK. After click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, go back and click on About Phone. After click on About Phone, scroll down to and click on Factory Reset and click on Erase All Data. After click on Erase All Data, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can color changed after software update on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.